Good morning, fourth graders. Today is Friday, May 21st. It is our last e-learning Friday. Whoop whoop. I'm excited. So let's see. For math today, you can work in Kickstand, work in your MT course. If your MT course doesn't show up right away, it does take a little bit in the morning to get some things going, especially if you passed an MT yesterday. So if that happens, log completely out of Kickstand, give it about 10 minutes and log back in. If your MT ends up not showing up at all today, just work in Fluency Playground. Okay, if you need a new Fluency Playground code, just send me a message and I will get you a new code. For reading today, you need to read to yourself for about 30 minutes um, and do your Wonders to-do list. For writing today, it says type a narrative story. You can type a narrative story, you can type an opinion, you can teach me about a topic that you know a lot about. Um, the informational writing, you can choose whatever you would like to write about today. You can handwrite it and just bring it to school on Monday if you would like, or you can type it in Google Docs and share it with me. Some things that you may work on today are your flex course. You can work in Freckle, Some Dog, or Prodigy, or a different math game of your choice. For reading today, you can play the games in Wonders. I think you guys, this is week 5, and so next week is project week. So we will be working on projects here in our homeroom class. And then for if you get bored and want something to do, there are PE lessons, music lessons, and STEAM lessons there in Kickstand for you to work on. It's going to be kind of yucky today. So what do I say when there's yucky weather? What a great day to curl up with a good book and just do some reading. We will hopefully finish up our Esperanza Rising next week, and then it will be summer. Next week's our last week of school. Don't forget to let your parents know. Wednesday we will be walking over to Sioux Park just to have some fun, play games, spend some time together, play on the playground, and just hang out. Other than that, I hope you all have a great weekend. Rest up. It's going to be kind of a wet, yucky weekend. So take care, and I will see you on Monday.